Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we are addressing today is when the closure system on your Thermomix TM5 won't engage. This can happen due to a faulty mechanism or worn-out components. If not repaired in a timely manner, it could lead to further damage or even prevent your device from functioning altogether. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement closure mechanism. Now, let's get into the step-by-step guide for this repair. First, ensure that your Thermomix TM5 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. Be careful to keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently slide off the back cover. Next, locate the closure mechanism which is positioned near the lid. You may need to consult a diagram to ensure you are looking in the right area. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully detach any cables connected to the closure mechanism. Make sure to note where each cable is connected, as this will help in reassembling your device later. Use the flathead screwdriver to pry out the faulty closure mechanism. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once extracted, take the new closure mechanism and position it where the old one was located. Reconnect the cables, ensuring that they are firmly in place. After that, reattach the back cover of the Thermomix TM5 and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Finally, plug in your device and test the closure system to ensure it engages properly. If everything is functioning as it should, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM5. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's advisable to regularly clean the closure mechanism and avoid forcing the lid closed if it seems stuck. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device significantly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.